What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP, the install guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got 2005 Chevy Impala, and I'm gonna show you how to take these rear speakers out so you can replace them if you need to replace them. These are the type of things that you're into. Please consider subscribing. This is what we do here at the channel. Anything car audio related, that is what the channel is about. So first thing I want to let y'all know in the beginning of the video that this speaker grill in the back does come off. So all you have to do, as you can tell looking at the back side, this part right here, you just want to press it forward. Probably gonna need a panel removal tool on the other side. You press the inside forward and push it down, and you only have these two hooked in. So that's probably going to be the easiest way to get to your 6x9 speaker without removing this whole entire thing. The reason that I had to take the whole thing off is because these are extremely brittle. This is a 2005, and all I did was put my finger on the other one, and this part actually kind of poked a hole. So we're gonna have to get brand new speaker grills and put those in for the customer, but then also at the same time, I don't want you guys breaking yours if you don't want to. So I'm gonna show you how to fully take the whole thing out. All right, so first thing we want to do is we need to actually get these seats out of here. We want to come right here to the middle, and we want to pull up, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm just grabbing it right here. All right, see that side pulled out, and boom, take the whole part out right there. Seat, because usually you can tell when it has these little bars right here, that's usually going to the top seat. So let's take these off. I'm using a deep well 10mm socket. There's going to be one on each side. There's only going to be those two, and I'm thinking that I should be able to pull out, yep, and pull and push up. So I got one side loose. So we're going to pull out and push up. So you can see we have 4 hooks right there, and they are hooking into that piece right there. So that's 1, that's 2, and then there's 2 more over there. So just the 2 10mm at the bottom, and then you want to pull it out from the bottom and then lift it up on both sides. And now take this part out right here. Once we get it off, we have these small little retainer clips that we need to pop out. One on each side. Now lastly, we're gonna have to take this part off right here. Is that the full freaking piece, bro? Only held down by clips, so we should be good. But I think it's all one piece up here. So we're gonna take that part off. As you can tell, 1, 2, so literally just 2 clips at the bottom. There's probably one that fell out. Lift up on this and pull it out with just one side being out, or if we really actually got to take both sides out. Okay, so that's the whole thing, literally just lifting up. So if I'm just being honest, even though I was able to take this thing out, it would probably be extremely easy if you took this panel off on the other side, just to be on the safe side for putting it back in. It's probably going to be easier to have both of those off. But here we have the 2 6x9s. They are still the factory. They are held in by 4 what's this, a T15 Torx. So the easiest way I like to take these out is using my drill and a right angle driver. I have that link in the description as well if you guys need to get these parts. Let's go ahead and take these 4 out. Let's go ahead. Now we got all the screws out. I did it to both sides already. and we have that 6x9-inch speaker. Now the easiest way to take these out is to do it inside the trunk. That way when you pull the speaker out, all you have to do is just pull it out. You don't have to worry about being in a tight space. But from inside the clip, you want to try to take something and press down on this part right here. Once you press down on that, it's easier to pull out. Now we have this old factory 6x9, and we're going to replace it with some nice Kenwoods. Here we have the nice 5-way Kenwood Concert Series 6x9. We already have our 724568 speaker harness. I will have those links in the description as well. Now the easiest thing to do when you're putting these together is put them together inside the vehicle. That way you ain't got to go back inside the trunk. Just snap those two on right there. Positive already goes to the positive, negative already goes to the negative, and this 6x9 is going to be a direct drop in. And the factory T15s do go back in. We've already done the same thing to the other side. Now let's go ahead and get this stuff playing, just so we can make sure everything works before we put it all back together. And that about wraps it up for this install. So if you guys find any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. At this time, I'd like to thank anybody who chooses to support the channel, whether you guys get a Patreon subscription or that support plan from the website, or hit those links and buy your products from the links in the description. All that goes a long way with me, and I greatly appreciate it. So next time, this your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Happy installing, y'all. Peace.